debate people of the book. Muslims, don't debate people of the book. إِلَّا بِالَّتِي هِيَ أَحْسَنُ, except in a way that is better. It doesn't. If your translation says best, it's wrong. If it says best, it's incorrect. It has to say better. Al-ahsan is the best. Ahsan is better. Do not engage, do not argue, do not debate with the people of the book, except in the way that is... Now what does it mean, better? What in the world does that mean? That means the tactics they use, the tone they use, the arguments they make. Don't resort to that. Find a better way of talking. Use the higher moral standard. Stand on higher moral ground. Speak in more respectful terms. If they're insulting your book, you don't come out insulting theirs. You don't do that. Find a better way. إِلَّا بِالَّتِي هِيَ أَحْسَنُ إِلَّا الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا مِنْهُمْ. Except the ones who wrong among them, there's not even a reason to argue with them. Leave those alone. But if people are coming to argue with you about your religion, be very intelligent, sharp, when you engage in discourse with them. And here's how you should begin your conversation. وَقُولُوا آمَنَّا بِالَّذِي أُنزِلَ إِلَيْنَا وَأُنزِلَ إِلَيْكُمْ. Tell them we have come to believe in whatever has been sent down upon us and whatever has been sent down upon you. وَإِلَهُنَا وَإِلَهُكُمْ وَاحِدٌ. And our God and your God, the one we worship and obey, the one you worship and obey, is actually one. Wahid. وَنَحْنُ لَهُ مُسْلِمُونَ. And we are the ones that claim, we are the ones that are submitting ourselves entirely in front of Him. That is where the conversation is supposed to begin. We are not Muslim for each other, we are Muslim for Him. This is to be kept in context of the previous conversation. Previously Allah said, people don't come to Islam because they care too much about each other. And they don't want to leave that class. Allah says, I'm not Muslim for you, and you're not Muslim for me. You and I are Muslim for Allah. I'm not Muslim because my parents are Muslim, or I was born in a Muslim country. If that was the case originally, as I learned more about Islam, I came to the mature understanding that I am Muslim only because of Allah. That's it. And only for Him. For no other, not for my parents. You know, there are kids that aren't even convinced of Islam anymore, or they don't want to practice any religion. They just want to party, but they're still kind of Muslim because their parents would have a heart attack.